Lesson 5. Excel 2016. Editing the cell contents. Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software application that is commonly used to enter and store data. You can perform a wide variety of calculations, from basic arithmetic to complex statistical and financial calculations on the data. Children will be able to learn selection in a worksheet, undo and redo commands, inserting cells, rows, and columns, deleting cells, rows, and columns, moving the cell contents, autofill. Neha: Hi Tia, do you know that a worksheet in Excel is composed of cells? We can do a lot of things with them. Tia: Yes, I know. What can we do with them? Neha: We can add numbers in the cells to do math like addition or subtraction. Tia: That sounds handy. What else? Neha: You can also make words bold, italic, or change the color. Tia: How do we do that? Tia: That's cool. What if I make a mistake? Neha: Don't worry, Tia. If you make a mistake, you can just click on the cell and change what's inside. Tia: Thanks, Neha. I am eagerly waiting to learn more about it. Neha: Sure, Tia. Let's begin. Selection in a worksheet. Selection means making a part or parts of the worksheet active. You can select cells, groups of cells, rows, columns, etc. Selecting a cell. To select a cell in the worksheet, click on the desired cell. A thick border will appear around the cell. This cell is also known as an active cell. Selecting adjacent cells. To select adjacent cells, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the upper leftmost cell in the cell range. 2. Press and drag the mouse pointer to the lower rightmost cell in the range. The range of cells will be selected. Or, click on the first cells and pressing the Shift key, click on the last cell in the range. The range of cells will be selected. Selecting non-adjacent cells. To select non-adjacent cells, follow the given steps. 1. Select the first cell in the range. 2. Press Ctrl key and click on the other cells that are to be selected. Selecting an entire column or row. To select an entire column or row, follow the given steps. Click on the column header or row number to select a single column or row respectively. For example, click on the column number B if you want to select the column B. Entering date and time. To insert a static date or time into an Excel cell, follow the given steps. To insert the current date, press Ctrl plus semicolon. To insert the current time, press Ctrl plus Shift plus semicolon. To insert the current date and time, press Ctrl plus semicolon, then press space, and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus semicolon. Changing the cell contents. To change the contents of a cell, follow the given steps. 1. Double-click on the desired cell to change the contents of the cell. The insertion point will blink in the cell. 2. Place the pointer at the desired place and change the contents accordingly. 3. Press the Enter key after editing the content. Undo and redo commands. Like in MS Word, undo and redo commands are present in the Quick Access toolbar. Undo command is used when you want to cancel the last steps you performed in the worksheet. Redo command is used to repeat the last step you performed in the worksheet. Fact Corner. The shortcut keys for cut, copy, paste, undo and redo commands are Ctrl plus X, Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V, Ctrl plus Z, and Ctrl plus Y respectively. Inserting cells, rows, and columns. In Excel, you can add cells, rows, and columns whenever you require. To insert cells, rows, and columns in a worksheet, follow the given steps. 1. Select the cell. 2. Click on the Home tab. 3. Click on the Insert option drop-down arrow present in the cells group. A list will appear having 4 sub-options. Insert cells, insert sheet rows, insert sheet columns, insert sheet. 4. Select either of these options according to your requirement. Deleting cells, rows, and columns. Delete means to subtract. In Excel, you can remove cells, rows, and columns whenever you require. To delete the cells, rows, and columns, follow the given steps. 1. Select the cell. 2. Click on the Home tab. 3. Click on the Delete option drop-down arrow present in the cells group. A list will appear having following sub-options. Delete cells, delete sheet rows, delete sheet columns, delete sheet. 4. Click on Delete Cells option. It will display a Delete dialog box. Then choose the required option and click OK. Moving cell contents. In Excel, you can move the data from one cell to another with the help of Cut, Copy, and Paste command. Cut and Paste command. Cut command is used to move text from one cell to another cell in the same worksheet or in another worksheet. To use the Cut command, follow the given steps. 1. Select the desired cell or range of cells. 2. Click on the Home tab. 3. Click on the Cut option present in the clipboard group. The content of selected cells will be deleted. To paste the deleted content to another location, select the desired cell and click on Paste option present on the clipboard group. Copy and Paste command. Copy command is used when you want to duplicate the cell contents in the same worksheet or in another worksheet. To use the copy command, follow the given steps. 1. Select the cell or range of cells to be copied. 2. Click on the Home tab. 3. Click on the Copy option in the clipboard group. Select the cell in which you want the contents to appear. 4. Click on the Paste option present in the clipboard group. Clearing the cell contents. In Excel, you can clear the cell by deleting the matter or data of the cell. To delete the contents of a cell, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Home tab. 2. Click on the Clear option drop-down arrow present in the editing group. 3. Select the Clear Contents option from the drop-down list. The contents will be deleted. Or, right-click on the desired area and click on the Clear Contents option from the shortcut menu. Or, select the cell and press Delete key. Autofill. If you enter a value that follows a pattern, then Excel will automatically fill the remaining characters of the series for you. This feature of Excel is called autofill. To enter a list of weekdays in a worksheet, follow the given steps. 1. Enter Sunday in B1. Place the mouse pointer on bottom right corner of the cell. It will change into a plus sign. 2. Click and drag the mouse pointer to cell H. 3. Release the mouse and the next 6 days of week will be displayed automatically. Flashback. Excel 2016 is a spreadsheet software that allows users to organize, format, and calculate data. Excel window has various components such as active cell, sheet tab, cell address, etc. Cut command is used to move a text from a cell to another cell in the same worksheet or in another worksheet. Copy and paste commands are used for copying and pasting a text respectively. Undo command is used when you want to cancel the last steps you performed in the worksheet. Redo command is used to repeat the last step you performed in the worksheet. You can delete a row or column, resize a row or column in MS Excel 2016. Autofill automatically fills the remaining characters of the series.